Most TableWidget tutorial videos have concentrated entirely on the event graph of the widget table outer blueprint.
However, this blueprint has two other graphs. This graph gives us an overview of the most important events used in table construction, setting table sizes, enumerations, the various flags, and the colors, as well as some more specific features, like the fonts, and the table dimensions.
There are also a number of user-defined functions for loading table data, and for retrieving specific information.
You may have to edit some of these yourself.
Then there are some events and functions used at construction time only, to fill the table with data, including table type specific ones like read data table, prepare tree view, and fill tree view. Note that if we wish to update the table after construction, then we should use a different set of events, those that start with the keyword update. Finally, this graph also contains some table maintenance events, like resetting the entire table, or just the scroll boxes, checking that the table is ready, and selecting a row, a column, or a block of cells. It also shows some local functions that generate random data of a specified type, for testing purposes.